Hi everyone, I am Jessamay Sanaza, and for today's video, I'm going to discuss and share to all of you the different digital materials in teaching. So since we are in a high technology, so we are also in a new trend. And technology is a friend of education, and there is no reason to fight this trend. So first, let's define what is digital resources. So digital resources is often made up of separate digital media, including text, image, video, and sound. So I will share to you the advantages of using digital resources. So first is very useful. Yes, of course, the digital resources is very useful, most especially when we are still in our pandemic today. So it is very useful for us. Next is the second advantages of using digital resources is it is flexible, wherein your student can pause, pass forward, or rewind them, reflecting their own preferences. And we have also improves collaboration. So goals are more aligned if individuals work together openly. We have also disadvantages of using digital resources. Our first disadvantage is that social disconnected. This may lead to individual miss out opportunities. Disadvantages also is the electricity. Of course, if you don't have electricity, you can't use our digital resources unless if you have your own generator. And that's the time you can still continue to do what you've been started. So here are the 5 digital tools which I can say it is the most helpful for you in teaching. The first tool is Breezy. Breezy is a digital software which you can create interactive presentations. It helps you make presentations more persuasive, more effective, and more engaging presentations compared to presentations made with PowerPoint. So if you are still unaware of what you can do to this, I strongly recommend that you need to check it out and present it to your students. Who knows? Maybe this would be one of the digital tools that would help you keep the attention of your student. The advantages of using Breezy is low cost, and the disadvantages is it is limited data visualization. So next is the HiCodec. This is a digital tool that can easily help you in making presentations in your gadgets. Tools work online and offers a huge database of stock photos with which you can create image-based slides. It makes easy to create presentation on to go, and it can integrate it into Google Classroom, which has been very popular lately. Well, the advantage of using HiCodec is that it is very easy to use, while the disadvantage is that sometimes lag and you can change the font size and the font color. The third digital tool is Explain Everything. As you can see, it is all about the interaction in a virtual environment. These digital tools allow students and teachers to collaborate in an interactive whiteboard. This software can also be integrated with schoolwork, Dropbox, Evernote, Google Drive, OneDrive, and more useful apps. With the drag and drop option, Explain Everything is super easy. The advantage of using Explain Everything is that it is great for creating content, while the disadvantage is that it takes time to learn. The fourth digital tool is the FlipSnacks. Are you familiar with the FlipSnacks? Well, anyway, this tool can help you boost the engagement level of your class. These can be used by teachers for educational purposes and by students for presenting project in class in a really interesting way. The tool works with PDFs. All you need to do is upload your image, write your information, and present it to the world. The advantage of using FlipSnack is that it is user-friendly, but the disadvantage is that do not offer free trial. The last digital tool that I'm going to share to all of you is Edmodo. It is an education network wherein teachers, students, and parents can join. It provides a digital classroom environment and gives you access to many resources. Also, gives you the opportunity to create a digital classroom where you can invite your students and even start sending digital assignments. The advantage of using Edmodo is that many features that allow students to access. But the disadvantage is that it is still a social networking site. So that's all for today. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you will apply what you've learned in this video. So just explore and never stop learning. Thank you.